is according to the last information about Machu Picchu, it was some kind of university. He is a guide who already been best guide of the year more than once, so yeah, he will show you Machu Picchu. Hi guys, I'm here with my guide. He is a guide who already been best guide of the year more than once, so yeah, he will show you Machu Picchu.
They discovered 7 different Inca trails. First Inca trail, you remembered yesterday when you reached from Sangay.
Yes.
Second Inca trail from Machu Picchu montaña, you get to right here. Next Inca trail, can you see the mountain right over there with the clouds? Behind there we are called Colpan. The next Inca trail, look at the line. Can you see the line and the mountain there? The next Inca trail, it is from this Inca side, we are called to Inca Bridge. You remember we get yesterday the pictures?
Yes.
Next Inca side, popular famous mountain and the pictures.
Okay.
And the last one is in the lower sections. Look at the guys, they get a picture now there. Look at the stairs.
Yeah.
Obviously now they are get close. Orleans, California, for geology study.
Okay.
After 8 months studied, all those are terraces, are they discovering more than 1,200 different varieties of seeds, of plantations. All right. It was just for farming, but farming education. That is
Okay.
all these terraces. Incas are they do a lot investigations, genetic management investigations, biology investigations for the food. That is what happens. I told you when the scientists are they doing some investigations here.
Yes.
More than 1,200 different varieties of plantations they found just in these few terraces. That is for this case. You remember, I think so, yesterday when you coming down from Sangay?
Yeah.
It is approximately 2.5 kilometers. Incas, they was built the water canals for they get transportation to water until right here. That is what happened when the Incas are they was built, Inca civil engineers.
Yeah.
They was built water canal.
Okay.
Some of those are water canals that are about 45 centimeters underground in some sections.
Okay.
50% of this water, it was passed by these terraces for farming. Here, yeah. Other 50% by the middle of this Inca city for the Incas they use for many things. When the archaeologists so many years later, the Inca investigations, they were here. When they doing these investigations with georadars, are they discovering in the underground, it is some different metals.
Okay.
That is they beginning, they're doing some excavations inside.
Okay.
About 45 centimeters underground, look at, they found this. And look at in the circle. Metal teeth, about 1 meter and 20 centimeters underground, they found this.
Okay.
Which is that? It's a knife.
Oh, is it
Inca
a knife? Okay.
Looks like big, but no, it's not so big. It's maximum like this size.
Okay.
Between 5 or maximum 7 centimeters. It is in gold. Why gold? Gold, no infection,
Oh,
no transmissions of bacteria.
okay.
That is the Incas, they use gold or silver sometimes, but too much gold. Yeah, look at them.
Yes.
About still 1 meter and 45 centimeters underground, they found this with some operations on the head.
Okay. Angel, the guide, explained me a lot more about Machu Picchu, but it is too much information to put all in this video. The last thing that I want to tell you is according to the last information about Machu Picchu, it was some kind of university. We're now at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, please hit subscribe. You will help me a lot with it. Then I can make more videos in the future. This is my guide that you have seen the whole video.
Yes, please, I to invite to everyone you get to see this video. It is just a little bit short information we share with Mr. For to be get enjoy when you come in the future to Peru and enjoying us very well also this video. Thank you so much for you choose this country. Thank you so much for you choose Machu Picchu.